A reliable computer power supply ensures stable performance, protects components, prevents failures, and supports efficient system operation. Today's video is about top 5 best computer power supply that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Be Quiet. Computer power supply. The Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W is a premium power supply designed for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking reliable, efficient performance. With 80+ gold certification and up to 94.4% efficiency, it reduces power consumption, lowers electricity costs, and keeps your system running cooler and quieter. Built to the latest ATX 3.1 standard, it includes a native 12V-2x6 connector for PCIe 5.1 graphics cards while maintaining compatibility with current generation GPUs through 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors. Its 1000W continuous output easily handles demanding workloads and sudden power spikes, ensuring stable operation for high-end CPUs and GPUs. The semi-passive 0 RPM cooling keeps the fan off during light tasks for near-silent performance, while the optimized fan design maintains excellent cooling under heavy loads. Combined with advanced LLC topology for precise voltage regulation, the Pure Power 13M delivers outstanding stability, efficiency, and future-ready performance, making it an excellent investment for powerful gaming and content creation PCs. Now our second product is Lian Li Computer Power Supply. The EG1200G 1200W power supply is a powerful, future-ready PSU built for high-end gaming and workstation PCs. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it delivers stable and efficient power while supporting PCIe 5.1 and handling demanding transient power spikes with ease. It comes equipped with 12V-2x6 connectors for NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 and 40 series graphics cards, ensuring broad compatibility with the latest GPUs. A standout feature is its integration with the Edge USB/fan hub, allowing support for up to 4 devices, 8 downstream USB connections, and 6 4-pin fan headers for enhanced cooling and RGB control. With 80+ gold and cybernetics gold certifications, the EG1200G offers excellent energy efficiency while maintaining impressively quiet operation. The magnetic dust filter mesh makes cleaning quick and effortless, helping preserve airflow and long-term reliability. Combining advanced connectivity, efficient power delivery, quiet cooling, and easy maintenance, the EG1200G is an excellent choice for demanding modern PC builds. Our third product is Corsair Computer Power Supply. The Corsair RMx Series ATX 3.1 power supply is an outstanding choice for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and content creators seeking reliable, efficient, and future-ready performance. Its fully modular design lets you connect only the cables you need, improving airflow and making cable management simple and clean. With cybernetics gold certification and up to 91% efficiency, the RMx reduces energy consumption, operates quietly, and keeps system temperatures lower during demanding workloads. Built to the ATX 3.1 standard, it supports PCIe 5.1 and is designed to handle modern GPUs' transient power spikes with confidence. The native 12V-2x6 connector provides direct compatibility with the latest graphics cards, eliminating the need for bulky adapters. Additionally, the ultra-flexible embossed cables with low-profile combs create a neat, professional-looking build while simplifying installation. Combining quiet operation, premium efficiency, excellent cable management, and next-generation hardware support, the Corsair RMx is a dependable power supply for high-performance gaming and professional PC systems. Now number 4, Lian Li Computer Power Supply. The Lian Li SP Series V2 Gold SFX power supply is an excellent option for compact, high-performance PC builds. Its fully modular design keeps cable management clean and improves airflow by allowing you to connect only the cables your system requires. Certified to the ATX 3.1 standard, it supports PCIe Gen 5.0 and is built to withstand transient power spikes, ensuring dependable performance with modern hardware. The included native 12V-2x6 connector features clear visual indicators for secure installation and seamless compatibility with NVIDIA RTX 50 and 40 series graphics cards. An upgraded 92mm fluid dynamic bearing fan delivers efficient cooling while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for small form factor systems. The enhanced 5 VSB standby rail provides additional power for today's demanding peripherals, while the 10-year hardware protection reflects Lian Li's confidence in its durability. Combining compact size, premium efficiency, quiet cooling, and future-ready compatibility, the SP Series V2 Gold is a reliable choice for enthusiasts and gamers alike. And our last choice is Segotep Computer Power Supply. The Segotep GN65080 Plus Gold Power Supply is a dependable choice for mainstream gaming and productivity PCs, offering a balance of efficiency, stability, and value. Its 80 Plus Gold certification ensures high energy efficiency, reducing power consumption, heat generation, and operating costs while delivering reliable performance. The single 12V rail provides consistent power output, making it well suited for systems with demanding processors and graphics cards. Designed with global voltage adaptation, the GN650 operates reliably across different regions, making it convenient for international use. It also includes 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors, providing compatibility with many modern graphics cards, including select 40 series GPUs. Although it features a non-modular design, the cable layout is organized to support effective airflow and maintain a tidy system build. Overall, the Segotep GN650 combines stable power delivery, efficient operation, broad GPU support, and dependable performance, making it a solid and budget-friendly power supply for everyday users, gamers, and PC builders. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.